Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to sing a very sweet rhyme which is Birds Can Fly. Let's start. Birds can fly, birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too, I can fly too. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump very, very high. And I can jump too, I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim deep in the water. And I can swim too, I can swim too. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too, I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run in the forest, and I can run too, I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too, I can hop too. Thank you.